Welcome to the INFINIX Hot Wi-Fi, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store, and then here in the search pool we should enter Ampere, and now we should get this application, so that's why tap to install, and then just wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that we should tap to open the app and click yes, I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now we can see here the information what is our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 30 and 3. And also we can see here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, device voltage and Android version. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.